What's good, YouTube? This is Rob back with another video. As you can see, I have another unboxing for you. The LG G7 ThinQ. Now that's a mouthful, but I decided to bring it to the channel. Let's give it a run. I'm gonna unbox it, tell you a few things about the phone, and I'm gonna do some coverage on this phone for you guys. So right now, let's do the do. I have everything already cut out. As you can see, this is a T-Mobile variant. Nice cleaning cloth. Went with the gray. Did not like the red. Real nice. You know, you got the normal books and got your SIM injector, guide, startup guide, pretty much it. SIM card, no need for that, I already have one. Got your power brick and USB Type-C, and no headphones for a phone that prides itself on its DAC. You would think you would have some headphones in here. Let's get to the phone. Now, this phone in general, it has a 6.1 inch QHD, what they call full vision display. The camera, it's nice. Got the LG branding on the back. You know what's really weird about this? At the very bottom under the LG name, you can actually see the IMEI number underneath the glass. Okay. Anyhow, this phone has a light feel to it. This has 64 gigabytes of on internal storage, 4 gigs of RAM, does have micro SD support. I don't know, 2 terabytes. Does have the Snapdragon 845. I cannot say Qualcomm to save my life. Anyhow, 3000 milliamp battery, which is kind of light. On the right side, you do have the power button. Left side, volume rocker with a dedicated Google Now button. Does have a super bright display, QHD display, 564 ppi, 6.1 inch screen. It's supposed to be able to, you should be able to see the screen in direct sunlight. Has a screen brightness measurement of 1000 nits, which is supposed to help deliver full outdoor visibility in direct sunlight. Again, it's 564 ppi, 19 by 9 aspect ratio, 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio. Does have an always on display, which displays the time, day, notifications. Does have a dual rear camera, 16 megapixel, both of them are 16 megapixel. You have a standard angle lens with a 1.6 aperture. The second one is a wide angle with a 1.9 aperture. Does come with the LED flash on the wide angle. Does have OIS and EIS on the standard first 16 megapixel. Does have laser autofocus. You can zoom up to 8 times. Front facing camera is an 8 megapixel with a 1.9 aperture. It does have a wide angle view, 1080p HD video recording resolution. You can do gesture shots. It does have the the selfie light and the beauty shots. From a video recording aspect, it does do 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. HDR video recording. It does have that cine effect You can choose from 15 different color grading presets to add for that cinematic look. Does have a manual mode. You can shoot slow motion up to 240 frames per second. Like I said, it does have a glass body built with a metal frame, metal sides. It's like a premium aluminum sides that frames the actual phone. It is IP68, dust and water resistant, Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the front and back, but Gorilla Glass 4 on the camera. So the glass that's covering the camera is different than what's covering the back. It does have what they call heat pipes to absorb and move heat away from the processor to minimize overheating. So again, on board, this phone comes with Android 8.0. It's running LG's latest skins, the LG UXX 7.0. It does have the Quick Charge 3.0, USB Type-C charging port. It is wireless charging with compatible dock available. It does, like I said, 64 gigabytes of internal memory, SD up to 2 terabytes, 4 gigs of RAM. So I think I pretty much went over everything. I don't want to get too repetitive, but basically this is the unboxing. I'm going to do a setup, let you know what I think of the phone. Oh yeah, I got some other phones here. I forgot to do that. I got to compare them real quick. This is S9 Plus. It's a little bit taller, and the LG is actually a little thinner. So the S9 Plus is wider, so we don't lose nothing on that translation there. Next up, got an iPhone 10. We all know this phone is way bigger than the iPhone 10. From a width standpoint, the iPhone 10 is thinner, but not by that much. OnePlus 6, very similar looking phones. Look at it. About the same weight. The LG, excuse the noise. The OnePlus 6 is maybe a mil. I don't know. You could sort of say they're almost the same height, and for sure, the OnePlus is wider than the LG G7. And here's my reliable Pixel 2 XL. It's taller. The Pixel 2 XL is taller, and by leaps and bounds wider than the LG G7. Again, that pretty much does it for my unboxing of the LG G7. I'm gonna do a setup. Maybe over the weekend I'll give you my first 24 hours impression. But that pretty much does it for the unboxing of the LG G7. Again, if you have any questions, please leave them down below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I catch you guys in the next one.